How to use Spotify Music as an alarm on iPhone. Let us open our clock app first. While setting your alarm, you can see an option for sound. If you click on that, you will see an option for pick a song. Now if you click that, it is empty since our Spotify is not connected here. So in order to use Spotify Music as an alarm, you have to download an app. Go to your home screen and open the App Store. Search for Morning Alarm for Spotify and download that. Once downloaded, launch the app and click on Get Started. Sign in to the app and do the basic settings and click on Start. Now, in Choose Music, click on Add New. You will see an option for Add Spotify Source. Click on that. You will receive a pop-up saying Morning wants to open Spotify. Click on Open and agree on the terms and conditions. You will now see your Spotify recommendations in this app. Click on the song of your choice and set the alarm. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.